In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access a Wells Fargo ATM without a card and use cardless ATMs seamlessly. As technology keeps advancing, banking experiences become more convenient, and using a cardless ATM is one such progression that can make your day-to-day transactions smoother. Let's walk through the process step by step, ensuring you feel confident and secure while doing it. First things first, you'll need to add your Wells Fargo debit card to your mobile's digital wallet. Open your wallet app on your smartphone, whether you're using an iPhone or an Android device with Apple Wallet or Google Wallet respectively. Once inside the app, look for the Add button, usually displayed as a plus sign, and tap it. Follow the on-screen instructions to add your Wells Fargo debit card details. This might involve either scanning your card or entering the details manually. It's a straightforward process, but make sure to verify your card details correctly to avoid any issues later. Now, once your card is added to the wallet app, you're ready to head to a Wells Fargo ATM. When you arrive at the ATM, you need to wake up your iPhone and open your wallet. A quick way to do this is by double-clicking the side button on your iPhone, but if this doesn't suit you, opening wallet manually works just as well. Depending on your iPhone's settings, you may need to authenticate using Face ID or your passcode to proceed. Next, locate the contactless or NFC symbol on the ATM. It's designed to be intuitive, so just look for the symbol that resembles the Wi-Fi symbol in a flipped position. Once you find it, hold the top of your iPhone near the symbol. You should feel a tap from your phone or see the wallet animation indicating that the transaction is being processed. The following step requires the entry of your PIN. The ATM, recognizing your card details via the wallet, will prompt you to enter your debit card PIN, which is the same PIN you use with your physical card. Input it carefully. Finally, you're ready to complete your transaction. The ATM interface will guide you to choose from available options such as withdrawal or balance inquiry. Select your desired transaction, input the necessary amount, and follow the prompts to finish. Once everything is set, collect your cash and receipt if you requested one. And there you have it, a simple yet efficient way to access Wells Fargo ATMs without needing a card. It's that easy. And once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate how this small convenience can make a big difference in your banking errands. Thanks for watching, and feel free to check out our other videos for more tips like this one.